My reflection is having faith about God. Christians are men and women who are baptized in the faith that Jesus Christ is the Son of God, who became the Savior of all. This means that God is always here. He will protect us, He will defend us, He will save us and love us. He is not a picky creator, and He will never become picky. In every second of our lives, He watches us from the skies, guiding our way until the end. Ito po yung sinasabi nating a silent kind of love na hindi natin alam na nandiyan pala siya sa tabi natin, na pinapakinggan natin yung mga prayers natin, at He always watches us from above. And kahit may problema tayo, parang binibless tayo, kung tayo inaapi ng ibang tao, tayo ay lalong binibless. Kasi yun ang paraan ng pagkakaroon ng relasyon sa Panginoon. At yun ang daw ay sinasabi ng pagpapadama, na the more that we feel the Lord's love, the more na mababless tayo, the more na magana tayo, the more na ma-feel natin na, ay, mahal ako ni Lord. Kahit anong problema, mamahalin tayo. Kahit paano.